Okay guys, this is the part 2 of the video that I've just finished putting in the wheel on the woodworking bench. This is made from scrap wood. Some of the scrap wood are down here. Maybe I'll use it for some other project. I just picked it up for free. Okay, this plywood will go in right on this side of it. I will put it right on here, and if I put a plywood on, it will probably cover up the wheel, so you cannot be able to see how I put it on the wheel. Basically, this pipe here, that's in the video number 1. Also, I just picked up this pipe somewhere in the yard, and you can find any way to hold it. This is how I did it. Basically, you just need to put a screw right through the pipe to place, and that side also pretty much the same. And of course, I just you can, if you want to, you can cut the wood, but this is a thick, long piece of wood, so I just want to make this space to put tools while I'm working. So here is the axle. I basically drill a hole right through, secure it with nail, the same thing on the other side, and that's it. If you want to move the table, I'll basically put this on a hinge. This table like is on a hinge, so if you want to lift it and push it somewhere, you just basically just kick this one off. Oh, let me see. Yeah, so it's now lifted up. It's sitting on the wheel. Same thing I'll do on this side. So it's on a hinge. So now it's basically sitting on the wheel. I just put a hinge so that it supports the wheel while I'm walking. Okay, once it's like this, you just push it around. Let me show you that I'm basically pushing this now. One hand on the camera, and then I'm pushing it. Push it this way, so it's on the wheel. So that's pretty much how you can push it around. You see, I'm pushing it with the one hand, so it's moving around. The wood is quite heavy, but you can easily push it around with 2 hands. And that's pretty much it. Where is a plane flying over? I'm living about 10 miles from the airport. The airport is right down there, so planes are coming into land. And it's a beautiful fall weather here in New England. Okay, I hope this will give some idea. You can actually put a bicycle wheel or whatever wheel you can to move your picnic table, woodworking table, whatever you're building around your yard, and this plywood will go on. And I hope this is informative. Take care. Bye bye.